Maligayang pagbabalik sa inyo mga nilalang. It's a good day, it's a brand new day, it's a special day na naman ngayong araw nito kasi mag-unbox na naman tayo ng new item from Realme. Okay guys, so recently lang naglabas po si Realme ng budget mid-range phone which is yung Realme 3 Pro. Solid yung kaangasan, solid yung lakas nito, solid yung power niya, yung performance niya, yung design niya. Wala akong ibang masabi sa kanya kundi wow. Okay, alam niyo yung wow. And then naglabas na naman sila ng phone which is si C2. So last year lang is naglabas sila ng C series which is yung C1. And then ang tawag nila doon is Real Entry Level King. So napapanood na ngayong 2019 na ilipat ang kanyang Corona dito kay C2. Kaya ano pang iniintay natin mga nilalang? Let's unbox this. The Realme C2. So what's inside the box? So let's see what's inside the box, man. What inside? Let's see. Here we go. Let's go. Here is it. Tagal naman. Oops. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Okay? Welcome to the Realme family. So sa loob nito guys is makikita natin yung ating information guide. Okay, yung ating quick start guide. Unfortunately, wala akong nakikitang ano dito, case. Proceed tayo. So, here's the phone itself. So, mamaya pag-usapan natin si Realme C2. So, yung iba pa natin makikita dito guys is yung ating charging adapter. Okay? So, this is the ordinary adapter, charging adapter. And then, yung ano natin syempre, micro USB cable. Okay, for charging. And that's it. So, let's proceed sa mismong phone. Okay, so ito na yung ating unit. Solid, oh. So let's crack this open. Crack this open. Boom. Boom. Grabe, ang ganda ng design. Tanggalan natin to para mas kita natin yung design sa likod. So, ang tawag nila dito guys is diamond cut design. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo naman is yan, tignan ko kung makikita nyo siya. Yan. Solid siya guys kasi very elegant tignan tapos napaka minimalistic ng design. Tapos meron pa siyang ayan o. Narinig nyo ba? Ayan o. Satisfying man, satisfying. Solid lang ako nabibilib sa Realme kasi paganda ng paganda, pa-enhance ng pa-enhance. Nasa-sense ko or nararamdaman ko na this year, okay, ngayon 2019, it's their time. Sobrang layo ng design nito sa C1 kasi yung C1 is plain yung likod lang and then yung Realme is dito siya. Tapos yung kanyang camera, of course, we have the dual setup camera. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. Pag-usapan na natin yung kanyang parts. So dito sa my left side, nandito natin makikita yung volume rocker. Okay, yung ating volume rocker. Tapos dito naman sa may top niya is dito natin makikita yung triple card slot. Guys, very useful to kapag meron kayong dalawang SIM card then gusto niyo expand yung memory ng mga phone nyo. So ito siya guys, ito yung itsura niya. So meron tayong dalawang slot for SIM card and then one for micro SD card. So expandable tong phone na to up to 256 gig of storage. Tapos sa may right side ng phone, dito natin makikita yung power button. Dito sa baba naman, nandito yung stereo speaker. And then yung ating micro USB port. And of course, yung ating 3.5mm jack. Ayun siya. Ayun si jack. Right? On na natin guys para makita natin yung kanyang performance. And here's it guys. Look at the display, man. Look at the display. The display. So as you can see, nandito pa rin yung ating dewdrop display. So this is the 6.1-inch display. 89% guys is from screen to body ratio. So ganun po yung edge to edge niya. Ayan, mapapansin nyo naman yung screen to body ratio natin is medyo edgy na siya, no? Nasa bandang edge. Tapos, HD display na rin siya with its 720p resolution. Kaya as you can see guys, is clear na rin yung kanyang display kasi nga HD na yung ginamit na lid dito. Tapos yung kanyang glass protection is Corning Gorilla Glass, of course. Okay, so pagdating naman sa vibrant and color dynamic ng phone na to, ayun naman as you can see is very clear. Yung resolution niya is sobrang ganda. When it comes to display. Then, as usual, pwede pa rin naman natin i-stretch yan para maging full view yung ating display. Ayan o. Okay? So, from edge to edge, pwede na tayong manood ng movies or anything na pwede nating panoorin. Then, guys, meron tayong tinatawag dito na home screen. Ito yung pwede nating palitan yung ating home screen mode into standard or yung ating yung drawer mode. Okay? Yung drawer mode, ito yung stock Android menu na tinatawag. So, pag sinwipe up natin yan, dun po lalabas yung ating mga menu. Okay? There are two types of home screen. And then, the other one naman is yung standard. Ito yung parang iOS type na siya. So, wala tayong any menu na lalabas. So, nandito na lahat ng ating mga applications sa home screen. Yan. So, one thing pa doon is, hindi pa rin naman nila tinanggal yung ating side menu. Okay? Parang yung pinaka-shortcut menu natin. So, we have here the gallery, the camera, screenshot, and then we have also the screen recorder. So, hindi pa rin naman nila tinanggal yon. Messages, Facebook, YouTube. So, pwede naman tayong mag-customize dito. Like, for example, mag-add tayo ng additional application like Google. Then, kapag sinwipe natin yan, ayun, lalabas na siya. So, what I really like about the Realme is yung kanilang game space, guys. Ito yung pinaka-useful para sa akin kasi meron tayong balance mode dito and yung ating block notification. So, when it comes to balance mode, nandito po yung ating competitive mode. Andito yung balance mode and then low power consumption mode. Okay? If ever na palobat na tayo. Then, we have the black banner. Ito naman yung pag-ignore ng calls, ng banner, or any notification when it comes to gaming. So, makikita din natin dyan yung ating battery life. So, ngayon, meron tayong 5 hours use. Then, yung ating signal strength naman ng ating Wi-Fi. Ito siya. So, very useful para sa akin tong game space. Sana lahat na lang ng smartphone is may game space, no? Pag-usapan na natin yung kanyang camera. So, what we have here is the dual camera setup. 13 megapixel yung ating main camera and then 2 megapixel naman para sa ating aperture. By the way, guys, hindi pa rin nila tinanggal dito yung chroma boost. So, unfortunately, wala po dito yung night mode. So, ito yung ating interface ng camera. So, what we have here is yung nandito sa taas yung ating chroma boost. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo dito, nandito yung panorama, andito yung expert mode, then we have the time lapse and the slow motion. Okay guys, meron tayong slow motion dito kay Realme C2. Aside from that, meron pa tayong mga other option like filters. So, pwede natin palitan yung filters natin dyan depending kung gaano yung gusto nyong kulay. Video recording nito guys is up to 1080p resolution. So mataas na po yung ating resolution when it comes to video recording. Then yung ating front or yung ating selfie camera guys is 5 megapixel. So this is AI selfie camera guys. So meron din tayong portrait mode dito. So meron din tayong HDR dito and bukod pa kay portrait mode, meron pa tayong other settings like filters. So let's test kung ano naman yung output naman niya pagdating sa selfie camera. Pagdating naman kay security guys is, kung mapapansin nyo naman is wala tayong fingerprint scanner dito sa likod. So what we have is the facial unlock na tinatawag guys. So once I click this one, ibig sabihin, nag-scan na siya ng face. Okay? So i-scan niya na yung mukha ko. Kita nyo guys? So tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung kaya ng facial unlock. So, nandito ako sa angle na to. Tingnan natin kung kaya nang i-detect yung mukha ko. Okay, kita nyo guys. So, nandito pala yung angle ko is na kaya niya nang ma-detect yung mukha ko. So, ganun siya ka-powerful, ganun siya ka-useful naman. Isa pa, para may proof. Running on Android 9 Pie Color OS 6. So pagdating naman sa chipset and processor nito guys, is ginamit nila dito is yung MediaTek Helio P22. It's a octa-core processor guys with 2.0 GHz clock speed. So ginamit naman nila yung P22 for a smooth experience guys. More powerful performance, smarter AI photography, and of course, longer battery life. Alam niyo nakakainis doon kasi 4,000 mAh battery to. Kasi yung gamit ko ngayon na P30, Huawei P30 is 3,650 mAh battery lang. Sobrang taas nun guys kasi hindi mo siya mauubos ng buong araw. So ganoon na lang ako naso-surprise at nagugulat guys sa ginagawa ng Realme kasi on its price tapos hindi mo akalain na ganun pala yung kanyang specs. Subukan naman natin si PUBG Mobile, one of the popular and most high-end mobile games na makikita natin sa market. So So, tingnan naman natin kung kaya naman niya. Okay guys, pag sinwipe naman natin to papuntang left, again, makikita pa rin natin dito yung other option like notification, reject call, play AFK, then we have the screen recorder, and then the screenshot. So, nandito pa rin naman yan, and of course, yung ating messages. So, we have the balance mode, then frame rate is up to medium. Let's go to realistic. So, as you can see naman guys, is playable siya sa PUBG Mobile medium settings. Okay, pagdating naman sa rendering ng map, wala rin akong any problem sa kanya. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa open field. So, as you can see naman is no lag at all. Again, that's for today's video. Sana nakatulong itong video na to kung kayo ay nagbabalak na bumili ng Realme C2 pero nagdadalawang isip kayo at hindi nyo alam kung paano malalaman yung kanyang performance pagdating sa camera, sa gaming, and other features. So sana lahat ng katanungan nyo is nasagot. Magsimula sa kanyang design, sa kanyang specs, sa kanyang performance sa camera, sa kanyang performance sa gaming, and yung other features like yung game space ay talaga naman hindi natin makikita sa ibang mga phones. Kung gusto nyo pa makita ng mga ganitong klaseng unboxing and reviews, pinapayo ko na sa kaibigan mag-subscribe sa channel na to. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan yung notification bell para updated ka pag may bagong upload.